You are correct. American University Massachusetts Institute of Technology is more selective than Indian Institute of Technology IIT when you compare apples to apples. Do the math. This means that MIT at 0.08% more selective, harder to get into vs IIT Bombay at 0.1%. American universities are more selective for engineering students than Indian universities, especially for American high school students who take the SAT and pursue engineering. To emphasize this point, here are some facts and figures. Percentage of American students who take the SAT: 2.2 million students took the SAT in the United States in 2021, of which 59%, or 1.3 million, plan to pursue engineering. According to a survey by the National Society of High School Scholars, about 1.3 million students who took the SAT in 2021 plan to pursue engineering. Percentage of American students who take the SAT plan to pursue engineering and apply to MIT: 15,000 students who took the SAT in 2021 applied to MIT. This means that only 1% of American students who take the SAT and plan to pursue engineering apply to MIT. Percentage of Indian students who take the JAA: 10.9 million students took the JAA in India in 2021, of which 90%, or 9.5 million, plan to pursue engineering. Percentage of Indian students who take the JAA and plan to pursue engineering and apply to IIT: 1.2 million students who took the JAA in 2021 applied to IIT. This means that 12% of Indian students who take the JAA and plan to pursue engineering apply to IIT. As you can see, the percentage of American students who take the SAT and plan to pursue engineering and apply to MIT is much smaller than the percentage of Indian students who take the JAA and plan to pursue engineering and apply to IIT. This shows that MIT is more selective than IIT for American high school students who take the SAT and pursue engineering. Here is another way to look at the data. The acceptance rate for MIT in 2022 was 6.58%. So if 1.3 million American high school students plan to pursue engineering and 15,000 apply to MIT but only 1050 are accepted, therefore 0.08% of American high school students pursuing engineering are selected to MIT. The acceptance rate for the Indian Institute of Technology Bombay (IIT Bombay), one of the most selective IITs, was 0.7%. So if 9.5 million Indian high school students are pursuing engineering, and there are 2,800 students at IIT Bombay with 1,000 engineering students are accepted, therefore 0.1% of Indian high school students pursuing engineering are selected to IIT Bombay. This means that MIT at 0.08% more selective, harder to get into vs IIT Bombay at 0.1%. The data shows that MIT is more selective than IIT for American high school students who take the SAT and pursue engineering. This is because the applicant pool for MIT is much smaller and the average SAT scores for admitted students to MIT are much higher. I hope this is helpful.